Hi, and welcome back to Purple Collar Life. In today's video, we're doing some maintenance on the Kubota T1870. We'll be doing the oil change plus filter and an air filter in the front. I also have an adjustment to make on the side panel on the other side. We were missing a knob and a clip, so we'll do that in this video also. Now, I bought the oil and the filter as a kit. I'll put an Amazon affiliate link to the kit that I used down below. I bought all Kohler stuff. Kohler 10W30 oil, the Kohler oil filter, and the Kohler by Sten's air filter. To get this side panel off, there's two hand knobs we'll remove, one on this side on the bottom and one on the top here. Just put those on the footrest, and then we've got the other one. Take off the other side. Because we're missing the one on the top, we should only have to do this bottom one. Then I think pull this right off the front. This Kubota T1870 has a Kohler engine. And you can see it's a V-twin, 19 horsepower. It does say Kubota right there on the plastic cover, but it is a Kohler engine. Now my oil drain is right here. Wipe off the tag. And what I like to do, see, it's going to be hard to fit the pan and catch that oil. So I'm going to use a long neck funnel underneath it, and then that'll direct the oil down here into the pan. I do have this rag here because I will probably leak a little bit as I'm getting ready here. I had to get a 7/8 wrench with a little bit longer torque to get this on and loosened up. There we go. All right, no reason for that to be as tight as it was before. Should be good right there. Now for the filter, it's even harder to capture the oil. So I do have my rag out here. I've got a couple of them. And we'll do our best to capture what comes out. Now all around this surface is pretty dirty, so I'm going to give it a good wipe while that's draining out using a clean section of cloth, because we don't want all that junk in there, and we want there to be a good seal when we put the new oil filter on. Okay, take our oil filter, and just like you would with a car, I'm going to put just a tiny little bit of oil here on the top, and then I will use my finger, spread that around the gasket seal, and screw it in place. So to where we feel the tightness, and then we're going to do about a quarter turn more, and that should be good. We're currently at 543 hours, May 2023. Our next step is putting the new oil in. Use a clean funnel. And it's going to take 1.9 quarts. It will feed pretty slowly because it's hard for it to breathe. Again, we're using the Kohler 10W30 synthetic blend oil. Now you want to fill it up just until when you check the dipstick, you wipe it off, put it in without screwing it in, and we are right at that full line. I don't know if it's going to focus. There we go. All right, our last step is going to be to take this cover off, the air cleaner. And see if it needs replaced. Just enough room to get that out. Definitely the outer level is dirty. This filter was dirty enough to be replaced. Here's our new air filter. That's a Sten's part number 055-041. Replaces Kohler 2408303S. And it has the Kohler name on the box. And it's got the Kohler part number on the side. Kohler 2408303S. Element air filter. I've taken the cover off of the old one and placed it on our new nice and clean air filter. I did not buy a new pre-filter. I should have, though. You can see a mouse or something has nibbled at it. But for now, we'll have to make do with that until I get a new one ordered. Just slips over top here. And we're going to put that back in place. There we go. Now this front side, you can see this side has the spring nut clip. This side does not. So I ordered from Messick's, Kubota Genuine Parts, from Neil Messick over at Messick's, the other side of Pennsylvania. This is a K1122-91800. Should just be able to slide this over top of here. I needed another one of those knobs. Again, ordered it from Messick's, Kubota Genuine Parts. Part number K1122-91000. It's called bolt knob M6x1. And this is what holds this part. Same thing on this side. So that will do it for the oil change and new oil filter and air filter on the Kubota. Go ahead and start it up for a test run here. If you found this video informative and entertaining, we'd appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up down below. Leave those comments, tips, or tricks that could have made this faster or easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again the next time.